Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you are going to learn how you can create associated tasks with Deal and HubSpot automatically. Guys, associated tasks with Deal is one of the most powerful feature of HubSpot CRM, and I'm going to show you how you can automate the process of creation of associated tasks with deals. And this will save you a ton of your time and boost your productivity. So without any further ado, let's begin. To automate the process, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. You can find the link of this page in the description as well. And from the link, you can sign up for free, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so sign up right now from the given link, and then sign in and build your automation with me. So guys, after signing up, you can sign in and reach the dashboard, and from here click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow, so let me give a name here. So guys, I have given this name. Now click on create button and you will see the workflow page loading up like this. And on this page guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, and which are the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the action is the automated consequence or the response of the trigger. In our use case guys, the trigger would be to create a deal in HubSpot, and the action, the automated response, would be to create a task and associate it with the deal. Okay, so here in the trigger, just select HubSpot CRM. Okay, then select the trigger event as new deal. So here we have new deal added option selected. Then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and then click on connect with HubSpot CRM. So it might bring you to the login window if you are not logged in, but I have already logged in HubSpot, so it is just asking me to select my account name like this, and then click on choose account option. All right, and you can see we are getting connected here. Right, so after getting connected, it will ask what are the output properties you want to fetch out from the deal. So guys, here we have many options. So here you have to select what are the things that you want to retrieve from a newly created deal. So you can just enter here deal name. Here is deal name. And another thing that you can fetch is the amount related to the deal. Here is the amount. Then you can select the deal stage. Here it is. You can select the priority if you want. So we have many options. You can select anything that you want. You can select the contact associated with the deal as well, like this. Okay, right. So, and whatever the things that you have selected here will be fetched whenever you are going to click on save and send test request button. But before clicking here, let us just create a new deal in HubSpot. So this is my deal section of HubSpot, you can see, and here let me create a deal. Okay, and here I'm going to fill the deal's name as, let's say, new deal. Here you have to select the pipeline name. Here you can select the deal stage. So this is the deal stage, presentation schedule. Here you can select the amount related. This is the amount. The closing date. Here let me choose the closing date. Okay, and here it will ask for the owner name. Select the owner name, then select the deals type. Okay, the priority. Right, and here we have contact associated, company if you have. Okay, so we have selected related or relevant things here, and here let me click on create button, and you can see a new deal is created here. Okay, name of the deal is new deal, and here when you see in the task section, right now there is no associated task with this deal. Okay, so here first of all let me click on save and send test request, and you will see the details related to this deal will be fetched here. You can see we have received the priority, medium, the date on which we have created the deal stage, presentation schedule, this was I have selected, Deal name is new deal. This was the name, and we have received the ID of the deal. Okay, and these things which I have selected here, right? Now guys, I want to create a task inside in HubSpot, and then I'm going to associate it with the deal. So here I'm going to connect with HubSpot again, HubSpot CRM. Okay, and the action event I'm going to choose is create a task. So here you will find task option. If you search, here is task engagement option, select it, then click on connect button. Now guys, we have already connected with HubSpot in the trigger, and the connections that you create here are saved in the account. So if you want to make the connection again, you can use the saved connection by selecting this existing option. Okay, then click on save and you will be connected again with the same application. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it's asking for the subject. So I'm going to give the subject of the task on the name of the deal. Okay, so here we have received the deal's name, so I'm going to map this deal name label here in the subject label. So just click here, and from the previous step map the name, and here I'm going to write task 1. Okay, this will be the name of the task that we are going to create. Okay, new deal task 1. Here in the task body you can enter any text that you want. So here I am entering the text. So I have written this: start working to close this deal. You can write anything here to provide a description. Status of the deal is in progress. I am selecting. Okay, here you can provide the object type. So if you want to associate this task with any object of the deal, you can just type like this: company, contract owner. Okay, or you can map the same thing from the previous step or the trigger as well. But right now we haven't received any object, so I'm leaving these fields blank. Okay, the priority is high or medium, as you want. I am selecting high. This task is active. I am selecting true option here. Okay, and here it is asking for the UID, portal ID, and all other things. You can add these things if you have the data, but these are not compulsory things, so I'm leaving these things blank right now. We do not have any attachments as well, so I'm leaving these things blank. I'm assigning this task to this person given in the list. Okay, now I have filled the required things to create a task. Now let me click on save and send test request button, and a task will be created in HubSpot. Okay, here you can see the engagement ID, and it is showing active. That means a new task is created in HubSpot, but here it will not show up because this task is still not associated with this new deal. Okay, so it is time to associate the task with the deal. For that, just click on this plus icon again, and from this next action step, search for HubSpot one more time and connect it one more time. But this time the action event we are going to use is associate the task with deal. Here is associate task with deal option. Select it, then click on connect. Use your saved existing connection. From here you can see the list of your saved connections, and click on save. Right, and here it is asking for the task ID and the deal ID. So guys, you will get the task ID from the second step. Here you can see we have received the engagement ID. Okay, and you will get the deal ID from the trigger step. Here you can see we have received the ID here like this. Okay, now coming back to the third step, we need to map both of these things from the previous steps. For the task ID, just click here, and from the second step map the engagement ID, which is the task ID. For the deal ID, use the first step and map this ID label. Okay, so guys, when you map things here in these steps, what will happen in real time after setting up this automation, whenever you are going to create a new deal, the task will be created and will be associated with the deal automatically, and the labels will be updated here. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map things. Now click on save and send test request button, and this task will be associated with the newly created deal. Here you can see the response, the status is complete. Now let me show you in HubSpot. This is HubSpot, and let me refresh the task section. Okay, so this is the task section, and here you can see we got a new task associated here named as new deal task 1. This was the name I have already given. Okay, new deal task 1, and the same got associated here in HubSpot. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this only once. After that, it will work automatically whenever you are going to create a new deal in HubSpot. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.